The Komodo dragon is the largest living species of lizard, endemic to the islands of Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Motang in Indonesia. These massive reptiles were first documented by European scientists in 1910, when rumors of a land crocodile reached the Dutch colonial administration. Widespread notoriety came in 1912 when the director of the Zoological Museum of Barbara published a paper on the species. After receiving specimens, genetic analysis shows the Komodo dragon is the closest relative of the Australian lace monitor, with their common ancestor diverging from a lineage that gave rise to the crocodile monitor of New Guinea. Komodo dragons have a truly fearsome appearance, with a large, robust body, a long, muscular tail, and a massive head with powerful jaws and sharp serrated teeth. Their skin is reinforced by armored scales containing tiny bones called osteoderms, which function as a kind of natural chainmail. This rugged hide makes their skin a poor source of leather. Adult male Komodo dragons can reach up to 3 meters long and weigh over 150 kilograms, making them the largest living lizards on Earth. These apex predators are solitary, coming together only to breed and eat. They are capable of running at speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, diving up to 4.5 meters, and climbing trees proficiently when young. Komodo dragons prefer hot and dry habitats like open grasslands, savannas, and tropical forests at low elevations. They are most active during the day, though they exhibit some nocturnal activity as well. Komodo dragons are carnivorous, with a diet consisting primarily of deer, wild pigs, and water buffalo. They hunt by ambush, using a stealthy approach to suddenly charge their prey at high speed and go for the underside or throat. Once they make their kill, Komodo dragons swallow large chunks of flesh whole, using their expandable stomachs. They are also known to scavenge and will even raid graves to feed on human corpses. There has been debate over the role of bacteria versus venom in the Komodo dragon's hunting strategy. While previous studies proposed their saliva contained highly septic bacteria, more recent research suggests their mouths actually have good hygiene and the bacteria are ordinary. Scientists have, however, discovered that Komodo dragons do in fact possess venom glands that secrete a variety of toxic proteins, which likely play a role in subduing their prey. Komodo dragons reproduce through a unique process called parthenogenesis, where females can lay unfertilized eggs that develop into male offspring. This was first documented in captive dragons in the 2000s and is believed to be an adaptation that allows a single female to establish a new population. Females typically lay clutches of around 20 eggs, which take 7-8 months to hatch. The young are quite vulnerable and spend their first few years in the trees to avoid being eaten by cannibalistic adults. The Komodo dragon is classified as endangered by the IUCN, with populations threatened by factors like volcanic activity, loss of habitat, poaching, and the effects of climate change. Conservation efforts include the establishment of Komodo National Park in 1980 and additional protected areas. However, the dragon's large size, fearsome reputation, and popularity as zoo exhibits also make them a target for illegal wildlife trade.